Okay, so let's have a look here. It wants me here to find the size of angle ABC in the diagrams below. So let's identify ABC in this first one. A to B to C. Okay, so it wants that angle in there. That's the angle that it wants. Okay, so let's have a look to see how we can go about doing this for this question. Okay, so what I need to do is, it probably might not be easy enough for me to sometimes figure out this whole angle exactly, and I might need to do it in little bits and pieces. However, I do know that by looking at it that this angle here equals that angle, and I know this angle equals that angle. So if I work out that whole angle, I know it's the same as that whole angle. And I know that here, that the sum of angles at that must be 360 degrees. So what I can tell from this, right, is that the angle ABC, okay, is essentially equal to 360 degrees take 110 take 130. Okay, so I'm basically finding this angle here by going 360 take that. Okay, and I'm left with this angle, which is the same as this here. Okay, so if I then go ahead and do that, so that's 360 take 240, so I'm left with 120 degrees. Okay, and really the rules that I've used here are corresponding angles, right? So essentially what I've got here is my F rule, right, which is for corresponding angles. Okay, so that's how I can go about doing that sort of question there. So let's have a look at E though. Okay, so with E here, okay, I want ABC again, so let's identify angle A to B to C. So this is the angle that I want in here. Okay, and if we have a look here, I know that that angle there is the same as that angle there. I know that this angle here is the same as this angle here. So that total angle is the sum of these two angles in the middle. So all I simply need to then do is I can say, well, angle ABC is equal to 30 plus 60, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and the rules that I've used here have been Z rules, right? Because that's why I know that's the same as that, and I know that if I look at using a Z rule over here, right, I know that that's also a Z rule situation there, and I know that's equal to that. Okay, and so I've used my Z rules, so what I can do here is I can just say, well, that's due to a Z rule being used. Okay.